All right, Dolphin, come on, do it right this time. There's a $20 chip in there, and a $10 chip, and a $15 chip. Come on, drop one progressive. One progressive. One of those. Oh, another 20 bucks. We'll take that. That's kind of a mini. Mini's only $20. Or we'll take 10 grand. So let's just keep going. Come on, chip. All right, last shot. Hit it. Hit it. All right, another $10. And it's a pretty good hold and spin. Come on. Ah, that mini was going by there. All right, well, we'll take that. That's a... Hey, look, you're getting champagne popping bonuses now, too. I like those big number chips. One more. Damn, not bad. $98.
Thank you.
Woo! We'll take that. Thank you, Dolphin. It would have been nice to give me one of those, but we'll take that.
Exactly.
All right. You're at 217 now. Come on, Dolphin. Do it again. Come on, Dolphin. Ah, Dolphin. That major's ready. Come on. $98. She just hit on a hold and spin.
Holy shit.
Look at, she's at $200 now.
Amazing.
Awesome. Come on, Dolphin, do it. Do it. Come on, Dolphin. All right, Dolphin. I think we're gonna cut you off.